Hello, this is today's what? Wednesday, August 3rd. Daniel and I are having dinner. This is the only way he would have dinner is if we share a bowl like this. He has his own bowl, but he doesn't want it. He wants to eat together. So here we go. Daniel. Yeah? Is it yum yum?
Yay!
Yeah, I don't know if you want that, but you can have rice. Are you gonna feed mommy? You gonna feed mommy? You gonna feed mommy? Oh, right.
Yay!
Yes, that's right. It's I don't know if you like that. I thought just have rice, okay? That's okay. That's right.
Go! 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 Go!
It's fun.
Um, no.
Yeah, Mama put something on it. Thank you. Thanks for feeding me, Daniel. Ah, that's a good one. Want some water? No? You recognize us, Daniel? You're looking at the camera. Is that Daniel? Yes, it's Daniel. It's Daniel.
Oh.
It's Daniel.
Ah.
That's Daniel moving around. It's not bad, right?
Ah.
Haha, I know. A little haha, but no. No, you don't want this. Okay. Uh-oh, you spilled water all over your arm, but that's okay. Okay, let's continue to eat rice, okay? Let's have rice. No, you gotta feed yourself. I don't know if you like that, but you can try. It's good for you to try. That's good for you to try, Danielle. I'm glad you're trying new vegetables. Too long. Daniel. Daniel. Daniel, why is rice on the floor? Uh-oh. Okay, that's okay. Mama will clean up, okay? It's messy. It's messy. Oh, thank you. Is it my spoon? My big spoon? Thank you. Huh? Thank you. That's very sweet of you to, ooh. Mmm. Daniel, it's okay. What about you eat? You have some rice? Yeah, it's a little hot, I know. Oh, sorry. I'll eat that, okay? No, it's okay. No, I got it. Hey, are you gonna hit me on the face? Mm. No, okay. Come on. Daniel, come on. Come eat rice. Mm. No, how about rice? No, you done? What happened? What happened? Daniel, you done? Still a lot of rice in here. Here. A lot of rice in here. Good. Daniel, some more. A little more. A little more. Come on. I'm going to cut you some fruit after this. Okay? Mmm. That's just a little rice. You don't like the meat? Sure you do. Thank you. Oh, thank you for sharing your meat with me. No, it's you. Good. No, it's for you. Thank you. 谢谢。谢谢。谢谢 Daniel。不要，我不要。谢谢 Daniel。谢谢 Daniel， 谢谢 Daniel。Daniel 好乖。吃饱了？不吃饱了？吃饱了？你吃饱了？你吃饱了吗？要不要喝水？喝水，不要喝水。哈哈，谢谢。哈哈。哈哈。No, said those are a little spicy. That's why he gives it to me. So that's really smart. That's really smart. Yeah? Is that you, Daniel? Dad, do you want some more rice? Good, Daniel. You really like this one, huh? Mommy made it 2 nights ago. The rice is good too, right? Oh, you done? Done? All done? It's only for Mommy? Mommy, eat it. He's done. He's done. All right, success. Bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye.